Now I need to put a little shelf in that little fireplace alcove, so I've cut a bit of MDF up here to size. So I've just got a little test piece and I just want to give the face of it a little round over. So I'm not the best with routers, so I'm just going to practice on this little piece and make sure I've just got the round over looking okay. So let's give this a little go. Not good. Let's take it down a bit. But we want more than that. Let's turn this bit of wood round. What it was, I'm getting these grooves at the top, look. I could just do it with a bloody sander really, but I've got the tools. I just want a very fine round over, I don't want nothing heavy. Perfect. That's all I'm after. Just a light round over, and I'll probably do that top and bottom so it gives it a little bit of curves. Should have a mask on really with this MDF. That's better. So that'll just sit at the front of that fireplace like that. So not a bad little round over. So I might just chuck a coat of primer on this. Actually, I'll do that tomorrow. I can't be bothered now. But next time you see this bit of wood, it should be nice and flat, sitting in a fireplace alcove. So I'll see you at the job for Monday morning. that's that job done. And the inside of my van is saying 38 degrees at the minute. I've got a lovely cold drink from the customer to see me home with. Right, let's go. Now I've got 2 ceilings to plaster tomorrow, and I am absolutely dripping wet just painting, so I suppose there's not a lot in it really. So I think that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you've just seen on this video. So Thursday is plastering. I'm really not looking forward to that tomorrow. I've got 2 ceilings to plaster tomorrow. I don't know how I'm going to fare with that. Should be alright. I'm usually alright in the heat. It's when the sun's on you that's a killer. But the heat I can usually deal with. So I've got some silicon rendering job that I've looked at, so that will be coming up, and I'll show you what I've bought. Actually, I'll put a picture in the window now of exactly what I've just bought to help me with a bit of silicon rendering, because it's so hard on the arm, that Finco stuff. I've just purchased this. So hopefully that's a good investment. It wasn't the dearest one, it was quite cheap, but I don't do a hell of a lot of it, so we'll see how it performs anyway. So it's not a big job, but it's just a job I didn't want to get the do it by hand, to be honest. Right, I'm just joining the A127 and then I'm going to join the M25 and then the M11. So see you later on.